guys, welcome back to our channel. I'll be really happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. Today we'll be teaching you a cassette painting. Here I'm starting by coloring the cassette with blue. Drawing the outline of the branches of the tree with black sketch pen. Overlaying them with black poster color. Adding on red flowers. Again adding on some green leaves. Highlighting the branches, the flowers and the leaves with white. And this is how it turned out. Thanks for watching and do not forget to hit the like and subscribe to my channel.